Hi, Denise Johnson here from my Outer Space studio. So I'm continuing on playing with the glue gun. And this is a 13 by 19 sheet of photo paper, and it's on the back side, the side that you would not print on, because I'm going to use alcohol inks on here. I put, the scribbles down. Basically, that's all this is. Just scribbles with the glue gun. This is my glue gun. It does take the larger rods of glue. You could also use a small one. Use what you have. Don't rush out and buy anything, because you can certainly do it with the other one. So on this one, I am going to just take bottled inks straight out of there. I'm not going to use my sprays like I often do, although I probably will at some point. And I'm going to use denim. These are all Rangers, terracotta, and teakwood. This is one of my favorite combinations of colors. It's very nice. I'm not doing this in any particular way. I'm just getting the ink on the paper. Think of it that way. Just get the ink on the paper. That was the terracotta and the denim, and this is the teakwood, which is really a pretty... Oops, oh, well, that was quite the squirt. Okay, that's cool. We'll see what happens. What I love about this glue gun thing is the lines that it creates and the way the inks follow those lines. So I'm going to take, this is alcohol in a squirt bottle. 91% is your minimum alcohol that you should use. Anything with a lesser percentage means there's more water in it, and that will mean that the inks will not move because there's not enough alcohol. Well, this isn't moving a lot, so I'm just going to add a little more ink, and rather than squirting or spraying, I'm going to squirt the alcohol. I want a lot of alcohol down here. And I always use proper ventilation. Open a door, open a window, turn on a fan, wear a respirator, whatever makes you feel safe. More alcohol. And I'm just going to let it run. Run and let it blend. Let the inks do their thing. Add some more terracotta. A little down here, a little up here. I'm also going to use some black. And I buy large bottles of black and put them in the squirt bottle. Where do I want the dark to go? Could go a little darker over here. And again, just watch how it just shoots down those lines. Yeah, I wanted to jump jump that that fence there, that boundary that the glue gun creates. So that was black that I put in there, and it's turning purple, which is awesome. And these would make awesome light shades. If you're in my Love Library membership, I have a whole chapter on how to do the love lights. This would make an awesome, awesome shade. Just would fold it like that. Yeah. Let's jump this way. There. I wanted to go in here. Oop, I wanted to go in here. I think I was off the camera, sorry. Oh, that's so much fun. Okay, let me think a minute here. Terracotta, right here. No, not terracotta, teakwood, the brown. This is 13 by 19 photo paper, and it's a Canon brand. One thing about it, and I don't really view it as, you know, something bad, I guess, but their logo is all over the back of it, but it's very faint. So just like a touch of the ink just going over it a little bit obscures it, hides it right up. So what I'll do is take my water pen, which is filled with alcohol, and because I'm getting close to being done with this, so I'm just going to start covering these up. I don't know if I can get it close enough, but there's one here and here, you know, they're around. So I'm just going to pick up a little ink from this spot here and just dab it, and it'll completely disappear. You won't even be able to see it or read it anymore. And it's just a faint color, so it's no biggie. But it's really nice paper. There, it's gone. Oh, that's gone. So there. Oh, I lied. The ink went to all one color, so it just kind of came right through. So I'll just tap it again with another color. Maybe something a little darker there. There we go. And I don't mind them. And then I can, yeah, they'll be gone. It'll be fine. So I think I'm finished with this. Maybe. I think maybe just a bit more of terracotta here. I like that pop of orange. Give it a little alcohol, get it moving. So there, more glue gun fun. I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to apply the gilding wax, which is, it's called Gilding Wax. It's by Pebeo, P-E-B-E-O, and this one is gold. Gold? Yes, something gold. I know it's come off. It says gold. I think there's a couple different shades of gold that they sell too, but I'm sure they're all spectacular. This is awesome stuff. This is magic in a little jar. But I need to let it dry before I put that on. So I'll continue. I'll be back. Okay, we're all nice and dried up here. I'm going to start using the gilding wax on this, the gold gilding wax. I use my finger. I know there's probably other applications out there, but I just like using that finger there. Just seems to blend it nicer. I would think a paintbrush would work pretty good, like a flat one. I've tried various things, and I just keep coming back to this way of doing it. Just go real lightly over it, because you just want to catch the glue. But if, you know, it lands on the paper, that's fine too. It does, like right there. Especially when the line is real thin. That's okay. I'm just winging it. And it's fun. Just that sense of discovery. This is really nice against the brown, this gold. Oh, there, I got a lot on the paper. That's all right. We'll just spread it, spread the wealth. And I can see that some of this is loose, which is fine, because what I'm going to do when everything's completely dry and I'm done is seal it with a varnish. And I'll get the can. This is what I've been using, polyacrylic clear satin by Minwax. This is almost empty, but my husband happened to have a big can, a quart can, almost unused, of polyacrylic, but it's clear gloss. But I'm going to use what I have, because it's kind of expensive. A can that size is, I think, like around $27. That was at the hardware store. I don't know what it is on Amazon. I didn't even look. I was going to buy it, and my husband was with and said, I have a can of that at home. So some of this is real loose. I'm just going to pull it off. And that is a cool effect, too, because underneath the glue, or yeah, the glue stuff here, are lines that, you know, developed because the glue was over the top of it. So... and this gold against the black is really stunning. I gotta wipe my finger off. Oh, I'll be right back. Okay. Such a pretty effect, this gold. Really nice. Makes it pop, that's for sure. I don't know, I may even go back in and add more glue to certain areas, make them a little bit thicker, bigger blobs, you know, because then the gold really makes a statement. These are all, or not all, but there's not a lot of contrast here. I need larger shapes, so I'm thinking, you know, bigger hits of gold here and there. So I may do that, I may not. Yeah, this blends so nice on this paper. You can see that. And there's bits and pieces here hanging out, but I'm not going to be concerned about those, and I'll take care of them after I seal it. So, oh, there's a big one over here. Let's do a little bit gold here. Okay, I think I'm going to call that good for now. I'll take a picture of the finished product and post that. So hey, thanks for watching. I hope you try this technique because I think you'll really enjoy it. Fun with a hot glue gun. Denise Johnson signing off from my outer space.